Before we dive into the speculation surrounding a potential GPT-5 model, there's a critical development that demands our attention. In a stunning move, OpenAI has granted the United States government early access to its next-generation AI model, GPT-5. This unexpected collaboration marks a significant shift in the landscape of artificial intelligence development and regulation. As the world grapples with the implications of increasingly powerful AI systems, this decision by OpenAI raises important questions about the future of AI governance and the delicate balance between innovation and safety. The announcement came directly from OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, who revealed the partnership with the United States AI Safety Institute via the social media platform X. According to Altman, this collaboration aims to push forward the science of AI evaluations. But what does this really mean for the future of AI? And why is OpenAI taking such a bold step? To understand the significance of this move, we need to explore the context surrounding it. OpenAI has consistently been at the forefront of AI development, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with language models. Their previous iteration, GPT-4, already demonstrated capabilities that both amazed and concerned experts in equal measure. Now, with GPT-5 on the horizon, expectations are sky high. Altman himself has hinted that GPT-5 will make its predecessor seem mildly embarrassing by comparison. This statement alone has sent ripples through the tech community, sparking intense speculation about the potential capabilities of this new model. However, the development of GPT-5 also raises important questions about the future of work and human creativity. As language models become increasingly capable, there are concerns about job displacement and the potential homogenization of creative output. How will society adapt to these changes? And what role will policymakers play in shaping this transition? The global implications of this partnership cannot be overstated, as the United States takes a more active role in AI development and regulation. How will other countries respond? Will we see a new era of AI nationalism, with different nations racing to develop their own advanced language models? The geopolitical ramifications of AI development are becoming increasingly apparent, and GPT-5 could be a flashpoint in this evolving landscape. It's also worth considering the potential impact on smaller AI companies and startups. As giants like OpenAI forge closer ties with government bodies, will this create barriers to entry for new players in the field? The ethical implications of GPT-5's development extend beyond issues of governance and regulation. As language models become more sophisticated, questions about AI consciousness and rights are likely to come to the forefront. While GPT-5 is not expected to achieve true sentience, its advanced capabilities may blur the lines between human and machine intelligence in ways that challenge our existing ethical frameworks. As AI systems become increasingly integrated into critical infrastructure and decision-making processes, the influence of companies like OpenAI on government policy is likely to grow. The potential applications of GPT-5 are vast and varied, from revolutionizing scientific research to transforming educational practices. However, with these opportunities come significant risks. The potential for GPT-5 to generate convincing misinformation or be used for malicious purposes is a concern that both OpenAI and government regulators will need to address. Looking ahead, the development of GPT-5 represents a critical juncture in the evolution of AI technology. The partnership between OpenAI and the US government signals a new phase in the ongoing dialogue about AI safety and regulation. How this collaboration unfolds could set important precedents for the future of AI governance globally. The race to develop increasingly powerful AI systems shows no signs of slowing down. As companies like OpenAI push the boundaries of what's possible, the need for robust safety measures and ethical guidelines becomes ever more pressing. But amidst all the excitement and concern surrounding GPT-5, it's important to remember that AI is ultimately a tool created by humans for humans. How we choose to develop and deploy these technologies will shape the future of our society in profound ways. The partnership between OpenAI and the US AI Safety Institute represents an acknowledgement of this responsibility. and a step towards a more collaborative approach to AI development. With GPT-5 moving closer to reality, the eyes of the world will be watching. The success or failure of this bold experiment in AI governance could have far-reaching consequences for the future of technology and society as a whole. But with great power comes great responsibility, and OpenAI seems acutely aware of this fact. The decision to partner with the US AI Safety Institute isn't just about showcasing new technology. It's a strategic move that addresses growing concerns about AI safety and the need for robust evaluation methods. The institute, established under the National Institute of Standards and Technology, or NIST, is tasked with developing guidelines for AI measurement and policy. By involving this federal body in the early stages of GPT-5's development, OpenAI is sending a clear message: they're taking safety seriously. But why now? The timing of this announcement is particularly intriguing when we consider recent events within OpenAI. Earlier this year, the company made headlines when it disbanded its Super Alignment Team, a group dedicated to ensuring AI systems align with human intentions. This decision led to the departure of key figures like Jan Leike and Ilya Sutskever, who expressed concerns about the company's direction and resource allocation. These internal shakeups raised eyebrows in the AI community, leading critics to question whether OpenAI was prioritizing rapid development and commercialization over safety concerns. The partnership with the US AI Safety Institute could be seen as a direct response to these criticisms, an attempt to reassure both the public and industry insiders that safety remains a top priority. Altman has publicly stated that at least 20% of OpenAI's computing resources are allocated to safety projects. This commitment is significant, but it also raises questions about the nature of these safety initiatives and how they'll be integrated into GPT-5's development. This collaboration with the US government isn't entirely unprecedented in the AI world. Last year, OpenAI and DeepMind shared AI models with the UK government, indicating a growing trend of cooperation between AI developers and regulatory bodies. However, the scale and potential impact of GPT-5 make this latest partnership particularly noteworthy. As AI evolves at a breakneck pace, the need for robust security measures becomes increasingly critical. OpenAI's recent appointment of retired General Paul M. Nakasone to its board, tasked with overseeing security and governance efforts, underscores the company's recognition of this fact. Nakasone's background in cybersecurity brings valuable expertise to the table, but it also raises questions about the militarization of AI and the potential dual-use nature of these technologies. The implications of GPT-5's development extend far beyond the realm of technology. As AI systems become more sophisticated, their potential to reshape industries and society as a whole grows exponentially. From healthcare and education to finance and creative industries, the ripple effects of advanced language models are already being felt. But with these advancements come serious ethical considerations. How do we ensure that AI systems like GPT-5 are used responsibly? What safeguards need to be in place to prevent misuse or unintended consequences? These are questions that the partnership between OpenAI and the US AI Safety Institute will need to grapple with. As we look towards the future, the integration of AI into various aspects of our lives will undoubtedly continue to expand. The collaboration between human creativity and automated systems promises to unlock unprecedented opportunities. But it will also require careful consideration and proactive measures to ensure that these technologies benefit society as a whole. The journey ahead is both exciting and challenging, and it will be up to all of us to navigate it wisely.